Hi guys, how's it going? So I was at my local hobby shop looking for my next kit to build, and I ran across this older monogram kit which depicts the Ford Trimotor. And I live really close to the Henry Ford Museum in Michigan, and I've seen this plane on display many times. So I was excited to go ahead and purchase this and start building it. This, like I said, is an older kit, and I'm not used to building ones this old. This one is actually, well, it says 1983 on the side of the box, so that's the year I was born, and I believe the actual original molding is from the 50s. But we're going to go ahead and give this a shot, so let's see what's in the box. So inside the box you have a clear plastic bag with some of the fuselage and wing parts, as well as a separate sprue outside of the clear plastic, decal sheet, directions, and some promo material for other kits. Lastly, there was also a clear sprue with the clear parts on there, which are pretty thick, but I was expecting that. Some of the pieces also came loose in the box, which I guess judging from the age is pretty standard for that. I was a little bit concerned about the decals because I've bought kits from the 80s before and the decals didn't work. They kind of fell apart on me, so I'm taking a little bit of a chance here, but we're going to see what happens. I did check online, and if worse comes to worse, I can order some replacements, though I really want these Antarctic Expedition ones to work, because that's the version I plan on building. Got some pieces that got tangled up here, but actually the detail is fairly good. I was not expecting it to be as good as it is. The plastic is a very thick plastic, but again, not too bad considering when this was originally made. I don't want this to come off the wrong way, but it almost seems like this kit is designed with kids in mind to build. Just the way some of the things are put together, and the connection points seem a little bit bigger, but pretty sure when these were made in the 50s that was probably their main audience, where now it's a little different. Again, the plastic is very thick, but the perforated aluminum on the wings is there, and it does look deep enough to where you could apply washes and do some different things with it, so it was pretty good. Not too bad for the 50s. I am starting to notice that there is a fair amount of flash on the kit, again, to be expected. Nothing too bad so far. Plastic is pretty thick on this. Also, I did a little bit of research online, and it would appear that the front cockpit glass may not be a great fit, so I have to watch for that. So taking a look at the yellow stained directions here, there is some information about the airplane, as well as the Heritage Edition kit information. It does go into a little bit of the history of that. And looking at the directions, pretty straightforward, just putting the glass pieces in, and then just putting the two halves together, then the back part, the wing section. Wings will go on top of the fuselage, and pretty standard stuff here. Nothing too out of the ordinary. I don't think I'm going to have to really be doing too much out of order. You also get two options. You can do the skis if you're doing the Antarctic expedition, or if you want to do the wheels, you can do that as well. The Henry Ford one, if I'm not mistaken, is interesting because it has the wheels on there, even though it is the Antarctic version, so instead of the skis it does have the wheels, but that might have been something they put on afterwards. And this is kind of interesting, is this promo sheet for some of the different models. Some pretty cool models on there, actually. But I can't wait to get started on this.